Okay, here we have a AFB Carter marine carburetor, 750 CFM. This one here has a divorced choke. In other words, the choke is down in the intake, which would probably mean that they probably used this one on the intake that was originally for a Rochester, but I don't know about that. Anyway, for $35 more, we can put electric choke on there for you. Then you don't have to worry about that. 750 CFM. AFB Carter marine carburetor. First thing, I'm going to start them up. Hands-free, of course. As you can see, didn't have to pump it or choke it or nothing. And the choke here, it works fine. It pulled the choke right off. All that does is, this is choking and this pulls it off. It'll give you a little bit of air if it happens to over-choke it. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go back there and put a load on it with that hydraulic brake back here. I'm going to put it for marine. There, automotive, light automotive, and marine. Okay, oh, that's kind of cute. I didn't know that. Alright, here we go. Now that would be like your boat, you know, being able to pull another boat along there that was disabled, or probably 2 or 3 water skiers. Let's see what it'll put out. Boy, that runs. Now what we're doing as we're watching these gauges, we're determining certain things. We're seeing how much foot-pounds of torque that the carburetor is able to supply air and fuel for what's under this load. It's not a simulated load. This is not a computer load. This is an actual load. Because if you see how if I take the load off of it, the carburetor will go right on up. There's zero load. As you can see. Like, I don't know how to explain it any more than that. That's what it is.